Hello everyone. Did you ever wonder why do adults get obese and unhealthy even after eating all vegetables compared to kids? It's because of the excess oil, heavy meals, decreased physical activity and metabolism, etc. Here I am to help you with another simple low calorie tasty recipe, spinach fry. Enjoy with rice and roti. You can have more spinach curry as it's cooked with less oil. Ideally the oil from curry should not leave marks on pan, plate or hands. That's when you can have more curry. Spinach is super nutritious, very healthy leafy green, high in fiber, low in calories. People with kidney stones and blood thinner medications should limit spinach quantity. Let's start preparation. First, wash and drain 4 cups of spinach leaves. Chop the leaves. Garlic, tamarind or lemon juice, green chillies enhance the spinach taste so much. Heat the non-stick pan. Helps to avoid sticking with less oil. Otherwise, we'll end up adding too much oil. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon oil for 4 cups spinach, half a cup coriander leaves, half a cup onion. Still makes it so tasty. Add red chillies, cumin seeds, turmeric, green chilli, garlic, and onion. Cook until onions are sauteed well. Add salt as per taste. Spinach also contains salt, thus better to add less first. You can always add more if needed after tasting. Add ginger garlic paste. It's time to add spinach leaves. Mix gently. Cook spinach without lid for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Spinach green color is retained. Add soaked tamarind juice, or you can add lemon juice. Tastes so delicious with tangy flavor. Add coriander leaves, coriander powder. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until leaves are cooked well. Spinach fry is ready to serve. See you again with healthy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.